Name drop is a feature that allows you to put in multiple names at one time and output them to your machine as a single file. This saves you time in transmitting multiple designs to your machine, loading each name one at a time. To use name drop, simply type all the names into the text box with each name on a separate line. Then click the name drop icon and click on Enable Name Drop. Then click OK. Only the first name will appear on the screen. You can resize it and change it just as you would any other lettering design. To view the other names, press the Page Down key on your keyboard. The Page Up and Page Down keys allow you to scroll through the names. You can type as many lines of text per name as you like. If you want to use, for instance, 2 lines of text per name, type the text how you would like it. After you click the name drop icon, change the number of lines to 2. Then click OK. Now the first name will come up as 2 lines. You can still view the other names by using the Page Up and Page Down keys on your keyboard. When you have finished with the lettering, right-click and click on Stitch It. The lettering will appear on the screen with each name on top of each other. Each name is separated by a stop function. This causes the machine to stop momentarily while you replace one piece on the machine with the next piece and then restart the machine.